Welcome. In this video we will learn about loop control statements. Loop control statements change execution from its normal sequence. When execution leaves a scope, all automatic objects that were created in that scope are destroyed. There are three types of control statement for loop: break, continue and pass. I have already written script for these three. Open my directory and see the example. Let's first discuss about the break statement. It terminates the current loop and resumes execution at the next statement, just like the traditional break statement in C. The most common use for break is when some external condition is triggered requiring a hasty exit from a loop. The break statement can be used in both while and for loops. Open break.py. You can see that I have two examples here. For letter in Python, first example, if letter equals to h, break, print current letter, letter. I have a letters Python and C for letter h. If the letter h has been found, then break statement and prints the letter. Let's move on to the second example. Variable equals to 10, while variable greater than 0, print current variable value var equals to var minus 1, if var equals to 5, break. Next I have one variable equals to 10. You can see that while loop I will break the condition for value 5, print goodbye. Lastly, print the message. Open the terminal, run the command as python break.py. You can see that it printed the three letters once it found the letter h. It will stop printing the letters. For second example, we have decreasing numbers. Once it will reach to 5, it will stop the printing. Now let's move to continue statement. It returns the control to the beginning of the while loop. The continue statement rejects all the remaining statements in the current iteration of the loop and moves the control back to the top of the loop. Open my already written script for 8 continue.py. Let me take first example, that is user bin Python. For letter in Python, if letter equals to h, continue, print current letter, letter. It will take for loop and letter are Python here. Check the condition for letter h. Once it found, it continues the statement, prints all the letters here. Let's move to second example. Variable equals to 10, while variable greater than 0, variable equals to variable minus 1. If variable equals to 5, continue, print current variable value var, print goodbye. I have variable here, 10 value here. Once the value found, then continue statement, prints all the values here. Lastly, prints the relevant message. Open the terminal, run the command as python space continue.py. You can see that it's printing the values. Except h value, it's printing all the values for first output. Except 5 value, it's printing all the values for second example. Lastly, print the message for finishing statements. Let's move on to pass statement. It is used when a statement is required synthetically but you do not want any command or code to execute. Open the already written script for 8. Open space pass.py. User bin Python for letter in Python. If letter equals to h, pass, print this is pass block, print current letter, letter, print goodbye. I am taking the same example. I have letters Python here. Once my letter found, it will print the pass block here as my message. Lastly, print all the letter here with finishing message. Let's move to the output now. Open terminal, run the command as python space pass.py. You can see that it print all the letter Once it has been found the letter it has to pass the message I have displayed there. You can see it's printing the message here. That's it in this video on loop control statement. Thank you for watching this video.